Hello guys, this is the seventh day of solving DSA question until I get a good job. And in this video, I am going to solve the question number 27, named remove element question. In this question, it is very similar. It is very easy to understand. Uh, just now, I am going to tell you I have already made the video, but I just messed it up. I just record my only face cam but not screen time. Just like this, now only I am only recording screen time. By pressing the button, now I am on the screen. So that was the issue in last video. So you doesn't enjoy my beginners like confusing phase. But it was easy question. It doesn't take long. It was the previous videos was just about 15 to 16 minutes, not much more than that. So it was an easy question. See, I was making notes and all that, but I couldn't make it. So basically, what this question says is, supposing there is a list 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 3. Just let's say, suppose this is an input list, and it gives a value number, which let's say 2. The value number is nothing but we can call it as an unwanted number because we doesn't want this number in this list, so we had to delete this list. So as we all know, list is mutable, so we can delete the number from it. So it's very easy to do, but we are not going to use dot remove function because it will make it more complex. What we are going to do, we will just search for this number into this list, and if the number is not there, we will just change the list to okay. See, if the number is not in list, then what we will do, we will bring the coming number to the front. So we will check if 2 is present from the first iteration. If 2 is present here, no, 2 is not present here, let it bring on here, then comma. If 2 is present here, yes, it is present here, do nothing. 2 is present here, yes, it is present here, do nothing. If 2 is present here, it is not present here, then add it, then bring it on front. It is 1 comma 3, and it should be answer after our code. So I don't think you understand here. Let's just clear it out, and I will just solve it. What we will first going to do, we will just give the value of k. Let's say small k is equals to 0. Okay, 0, because we will going to point it out in just in if condition. Just wait for it, you will see the code correctly. Okay, then what we are going to do, we will use a for loop for I in range. Okay, I understand you, my laptop, but it's not a good time. And it's, if you don't know it, just when I remove any plugin in from my laptop, it just make a sound like this. You can see, like, okay, I can't mess with my camera. What I could mess with, okay, I could easily mess with this. You can see now. So you can also do it. You can just check out any video on YouTube. So it's easy, it's cool. Actually, you can just flex in your friends. So yes, where were we? Yes, we are seeing I in the length. Okay, length of the numbers. So that supposingly I have the number, I can just write, just text the format, and it will be 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3, and bracket close, right? And I will make it larger than the life. Okay, someone's life is larger. So what we are doing here is, okay, I do I have any marker? Right. I'm learning new things. Okay, So here we are checking in this range from 1 to 4. So length of the nums and syntax mark. Wait, syntax mark. Now we are going to do, we will run a if condition. If, and yes, supposing the number is 2, right? This is an unwanted number. Now what we are going to do, we will check this firstly to the 1. Why it's happening? Okay, so if it is not 1, like if 1 is not 2, then okay, bring it on front 1. Then check for the second index, it is, yes, it is 2, then just don't do anything with this. On 3, just don't do anything with this. If it is on 3, yes, you want, bring it on front. If it is not 2, then bring it on front. So this is 1 comma 3, it should be 1 comma 3. So for that, what we are going to do, we will just type here if num of I, right? Because we already make an for loop. Then if num of I, okay, it's actually nums, right? If nums of I is not equal to, no, so this is a not sign and this is the equal to sign value. Don't ask me where you are taking the nums and values. Here in nums and here is values. Okay, value is already single, right? Let me see the test case. Yes, value is single. then then what we are going to do is we will just doing, yes, we have already done if. Okay, so we have reached until this process. If it is not 2, then what you can do, the number is presented in this k will be equals to number is presented in the I. Okay, so in that case, we already know we are taking the number k which are stored in this. So eventually the number which are bring in front will be the value of k's, and we are making the value of k's into the number of i's. So here we will write k, nums of k will be equal to nums of I. So in that way, we are making the list. We are not creating a new list. We are just changing the element from the list. And here return the value of k. Now let's just firstly check if our syntax and code is correct. We have given a k as 0. We have used a for loop. We have given a syntax. We have make a if loop. We have given we have not given a syntax. We have given a syntax now. Okay, in the if loop, what we are checking is if it is not equal to value, then do one thing. The nums of k should be equal to nums of I. So, and we are okay, we should not return here, we have to return within the for. Also, we our k is not, like, k is not increasing because we haven't make a loop for k. So we what we will do, we will just k plus is equals to 1. In that case, the k will be increasing until all elements are done. So this is much it. I think it should work, and yes, it will work because I already tried this code, so it was much easier me to just solve it again. But for the first time, it takes so much time. So yes, this is it. Pretty much it is. I just submit it now, and it will get the answer. Maybe you couldn't see the code again. I just give the full code. You can say okay, accepted description. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. This is the day 7 of trying DSA, and yes, I'm done with it now. Thank you for watching the video, and okay, bye.